Maxim 35. Be not astonished when a wise man ceases to speak in company of vile persons, since the melody of a harp cannot overcome the noise of a drum, and the perfume of ambergris must succumb the stench of rotten garlic. A blatant ignoramus proudly lifted his neck, because he had overcome a scholar by his impudence. Knowest thou not that the Hijazi musical tune succumbs to the roar of the drum of war? And one of the things is that it isn't that a message wouldn't be good as a reply, but sometimes you must hate in your heart and be patient about that which you love and save it for the better time to express it.